September 30th. This is Dave Dispinette with the Stock Playbook, giving you a small, minuscule little snippet of what I do nightly for our subscribers. Dow Jones down 240 points, 2.2%. NASDAQ Composite 65 points, 2.6%. S&P 500 was down 29 points, 2.5%. It was another up, down, tighter range than we've seen the last few days, but a lot of money was made. We talked yesterday about me. I shorted some more of these E-minis at the close. I traded them successfully 2 or 3 times yesterday. I got stopped out this morning before the open for a quick 12 points. We got a lift. I shorted them, sold off. I sold them. I bought them back. Made $5. Got a lift. I shorted them, held on, made another 13 points. This time, I didn't just cover my short. I went long, which is crazy because I still have a longer term put. I still have a bunch of these that I'm longer term, but just to trade it intraday, I went long. Made another, 6 points to the upside, covered my long, shorted it, and then made another 5 points to the downside. All told, from yesterday's close to today, 41 points in profits, not one loss, and I'm still short the S&P E-minis with my long, my big position. But this was just fun money. So depending on how many contracts, $50 a point. So if you have a $5,000 account and you trade in these things for $50 a point, 40 points, you could have made yourself $2,000 on a $5,000 account. Trading them as I trade them today for 40%. A $100,000 portfolio, 20 contracts at a time, you're making $1,000 a point. You could have ended up making $41,000 today on a $100,000 account. Just getting in, getting out, having tight stops in place. Meanwhile, I'm still leaning short. I think we have more whoosh to the downside. This is just a snippet of what we do. We continue to give these shorts to you. Whether it's, give me 1 second, let me just get rid of this and get my other chart up. I'm sorry, but I constantly am accused that I'm full of crap. You don't do this, and you say it's always after the fact. This is still after the fact, but this is proof. This is the Options Express intraday chart showing where I bought, where I sold. Okay, let's get rid of that for a second. Come back to here. Apple. We stayed with this. This thing was up at $422, and we said we still like it as a short. Lost the 50-day moving average, closed at the lows today. I still think you might see a bounce next week with that iPhone 5 announcement, but this thing's going lower. Apple, Baidu. Recently we gave you Wynn, W-Y-N-N. I can't give you guys everything for free, okay? We have a paid service. Sign up. Get a free trial. See what stock I bought today. There's one company out there that I really like on a pullback. Pulled back nicely. Large cap stock. 3 letters in its symbol. Sign up for a free trial and see what I got long today and what I'm looking at for next week. Have a good night, a good weekend, and I will touch base with you on Monday.